you never far.
Because you deserve it.
Okay, you go in the naughty corner and fix the chair and the table now. Papa kiss your bottom. Go on. Go tell him to give it a kiss. Say, Papa, give it a kiss. It hurts. Tell him. Hi babes, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night, and my arm is in pain. You guys, I'm feeling a little pain from the vaccine that I got yesterday, but that's okay. Your girl is a champ, we can manage that. Anyway, you guys, I'm up and ready and about to head out on the road, leaving everybody at home. I'm not taking nobody with me today. Well, just for the morning session. I am heading on the road. Because my mission didn't complete yesterday. I didn't get to buy Sarah's decoration. Hi! Hi! I didn't get to buy Sarah's decoration for her birthday next weekend, so I need to go and accomplish that today. And I need to do a little bit more shopping, so I'm going to go and do that right now. So I'm leaving babe in bed with the kids.
Why is Mama going to the supermarket?
I'm not going to the supermarket, I'm going to the store, but not supermarket.
But I call that the supermarket.
Okay.
When Mama goes to the store, I will make a decoration. I'm going to make a note that says Happy Birthday, Sarah.
Okay, so when I come back, we'll show it to Faves, okay?
Yes.
Alright, make it nice and pretty.
Yes.
Anyway, guys, so that's what I'm heading out to do right now. Baby's gonna look after the kids. Tyler, go and close back the TV stand. So hopefully, go and close back where you got the paper from. So hopefully you guys will enjoy today's vlog. We're also going to head to the supermarket when I come back. So today will be mostly staying around, but still have stuff to do. So we're on a mission today. Baby's getting some much needed rest. So I'm heading out because I need to get these things done. When it's on my mind and I need to get it done, I just need to get it out of the way. So subscribe if you're new to the channel. Give this video a thumbs up before you continue watching right now, because that's what we do to help the fam bam. And don't skip them ads, girl. Watch even just a few minutes of them, and then yeah, you can skip after, but watch as much of the ads as you can. Anyway, you guys, thank you guys for all the love and support, for always coming back each and every day to catch up and keep up with us. I'm gonna let you guys see Sarah real quick before I head out, so I can go and catch the bus.
Mama?
Yes, Dad?
I thought she was going to castle.
No. Hi. Hello. Turn on the TV for me. Right, I'm going to send Elaine. You sleep? Mute, just mute it for a second. Hi. Say hello. Bloop. Say hi. Bloop. She loves when I do that.
Mama? At first I'm going to tell you the instructions, then when you come back I'm going to show you.
Okay.
First, I'm going to make a line.
Okay.
Second, I'm going to make the letter. And third, I'm going to take tape and tape the letters on the line.
Okay. Sorry, you're too funny.
So that's how it's going to look like.
Alright. There she is playing in her bed. You do cute, cute. Tyler, take up the map. I have been back home from my decor shopping this morning. This is I want to sleep right now. I hope the music is not disturbing me too much. We are in. Ow! What a slap she gave me. No slapping.
Ow.
Yes, ow. She said ow. We're in the furniture store because I'm trying to find a work table to work on at home. I'm gonna throw out the small couch so we can. No slapping! Don't do that! No, no! No, no, no! No, no! So I'm trying to find a table to fit in that space. So we're just eye shopping right now so that we can see what is our options. So I like this one. This one. You guys will buy this thing for Tyler. They say it's a stress reliever for kids and Tyler is loving it.
Look, I'm just gonna walk back. Well, we can walk back from this way so we look again if we miss any desk.
And chairs. I was about to ask you the same thing. I don't want no blue. So it look nice, but I don't want the blue. Yes, Ty.
French, we ate a nickname Poppy.
Okay.
And Poppy in French. Oh, another thing.
Get up, Ty. Ty, get up. $170 something. $179. Oh, you must can go back. Nice. Oh, it's the same one here. Tyler, take off your sister passing. How it feel? No, that one and this one different. Did you feel this one? This one feels good. I like this one. Oh yes, honey, that fits you. Too straight. Short. But it can pump up. Yes, Dad. I will.
Try it.
I will, Ty. Hold on. Yes, babe. That looks nice on you.
For the hand is not bad.
Hmm?
I mean, this is not bad.
This little one is the one I saw online that caught my eyes.
One, two,
Hello, pretty girl. Hello, pretty girl. Look, who is that? Hi. Hi. You're so pretty. What are you doing?
Rabbit.
What are you doing? Come here, pretty girl.
Rabbit.
What are you doing? But Jesus, he says he's a vegetarian frog. My kids are hilarious. Look at him. So what did you just eat if you're a vegetarian? What did I just talk to you about the coach saying? Sarah, why do you have a spoon? Little big woman.
Maybe because you see me eating.
Look at her. I can't with her at this top. I just love seeing her in this top. Guys, we've been back off the road. We got more than we expected to get done today, and the day still isn't the day still isn't finished. We ended up buying the the work desk and the chair, so we have that to install later, which I'm really looking forward to for this space. So what I'm going to do is move this couch, throw it out because it's needed to go when the big one went, but I decided to keep it because I didn't know what I was gonna, I didn't finalize what I wanted to do with that space. But now that I decided to put the work desk there, it's perfect. So now it's time for it to go. So yeah, that's what's going to happen later. And since we also went to supermarket, now it's time for the supermarket haul. So let's go do the haul, shall we? You are babe, my hand hurting me.
How are you about me?
Mama,
Hi. Yes, tell the top.
that feels like you could.
Feels like when you talk about
Did you
the
get-
things, and feels like when you play with Papa.
Did you get any cheesecake?
I looked, but there were none. Sorry. I checked. I wanted to surprise you, but
Did you went to the bakery and ask for cheesecake?
no, I did not, unfortunately.
Hi.
So when I see that, I mean that the scene, like when I see the colors, when I see the note, when I speak in French, which one?
They like when you speak in French.
Okay, so that's what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Hi guys, good morning, good afternoon. We back home. We have a birthday, but we did everything we wanted with success. But the day is not finished. We still have things to do. I have two cemetery beside me. One cemetery, another cemetery. And yeah, it's the big Japanese guy that's... Anyway, I stayed in the car while they was at the supermarket. So
Can you believe that?
About
He stayed in the car while I have to go and shop all by myself.
little girl princess was sleeping. Somebody had to stay with her. I sacrificed myself, and Tyler was just bothering me and getting in trouble.
Was that a
So-
sacrifice? See? See?
Alright, Tyler, let's start with this bag. Let's show what is in.
Poulet.
Oh, we have some chicken.
Yes, chicken.
Oh. We have salmon. We have pork, as we do for the barbecue.
Salmon that I eat Friday at canteen.
Oh, we have another salmon.
Discovering what I
Nice piece.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
What's else? Oh, we have some
We have
chicken
wings because I need to season them for Sarah's birthday party.
Oh, so you
So
know
I
it's
got a
gonna
lot of
be
wings. I'm gonna do some barbecue.
chicken wings. We have
Poulet.
chicken, some other wings. A good amount of wings.
Poulet.
Chicken breast. I remember the time when she can't eat or touch the chicken breast. She told me it's she
Papi
not
poubelle.
eat all of this. So
Papi
But I buy
poubelle.
chicken breast now for you so you can leave my bone alone.
Papi poubelle.
Garbage
Not
bag.
like I buy it for
Sac
me.
poubelle. Papa poubelle.
Don't like it in my salad, I must admit.
We have Maggi.
Thank
Maggi sauce. Tyler soon gonna show you the garbage. Empty bag. Alright, let's take this one. Let's show me what is in this one.
This is Tyler's favorite bag.
Oh.
Okay, most of these things for Sarah's birthday party. Listen, the party is just gonna be us, but you know how many extras things.
Biscuit bio.
Dorelo! We have to do the things there.
Biscuit bio.
Nice biscuit.
Biscuit bio.
They actually taste very good. Honey
Biscuit
biscuit.
bio.
Oh, 4-pack. Somebody had to eat a lot.
Cereal.
We have a cereal. Did she take the right one? Eventually, no.
Yes, I did.
Oh, 3D. I love that
This
3D.
is for me. Thank you. Thank you 1,000 times, Mama.
Tyler, look what is inside. What
You're
is
welcome, Ty.
it? It's one chocolate bread and one croissant. So it's one croissant for you and one chocolate bread for me.
No.
What do you mean no?
Not exactly.
I know he would like that.
Come here, come here.
You're welcome, baby.
It's for me.
Okay, it's
And
for
the
you.
croissant is for Mama, not
No,
for
it's
you.
for Sarah.
Thank you, thank you.
None for you.
After
None for
everything I did
None
for you.
for you.
I was about to tell you that we are going somewhere.
Mama and
I was about to tell you that we're going somewhere special for vacation, but because you are not nice with me, I just cancel the vacation and we're not going nowhere.
That's not true.
That's not true.
What do you mean
That's
it's
not
not
true.
Are you
I'm
nice?
like a papa.
Are you
That's
nice
not
with me?
true. Yes.
No, you're not.
That's
Continue. Continue.
Alright, continue.
Continue.
Pretzel.
Pretzel for Sarah. Definitely
Happy
for Sarah.
biscuit.
Happy biscuit for Tyler. He wake up in the night and eats all of this.
And if you realize I buy a double package, Tyler will be home this
It's a double pack. Normally it's 8. This one is 12. Double
So
pack
it's
would have
double pack.
been 12. No, it's larger.
Mama.
Traveling 2 times.
That's true.
Crepe is crepe.
Put it in the fridge right now before I put it in the snack section, because if we don't put the crepe in the fridge, it spoils easily. Pringles for Sarah party.
That's a nice surprise. Thank you. Allez la France. Like France is still in the game. Oh no, France is not in the game anymore. So allez
You
la
can throw out
France.
all the France products in the supermarket.
Ketchup.
Whoa, that's a big pack.
Cookie.
She is that.
Oh, I
girl.
checked this time for the opening and it's changed the change. It's the worst decision they've ever made. The worst decision they've ever made. None of them don't have it.
Hopefully they change. Our cookie brand, if you hear us,
Granola.
granola, you need to go back to your ex package.
Vegetable bag.
No, this one.
This one.
No
Ve-
vegetable.
I
vegetable
said
is not
no,
good.
this one.
It comes to me.
Not that it's not good
Cereal. Barre of cereal.
You have some cereal
for
bar.
Legumes. Don't help me.
I'm helping to take
Yeah,
them out so you can go up so you
veggies,
go pasta time. We don't have all
We
day.
have chocolate milk. It's like Himalaya
It's
salt.
pink salt.
I don't know what you're gonna do with
Jus
Himalaya salt.
d'orange.
Orange
Jus
juice.
d'orange.
Not the same salt we use to cook every week.
Color is here that you need to put it. We have apple
No, not this
puree
time.
compote.
What is this time?
Ooh.
Cherry.
It's champagne for Sarah.
Uniquement pour Sarah.
I love it. I love
Some
it.
food for
I
Sarah.
love it.
Oh, when we go on
I love
travels.
it. I love
Just
it.
put it on the
I
floor,
love it.
please.
I love it.
Yes, so you give it.
You love it, but doesn't mean you're gonna get some. I love so many things that I don't get.
Juice also verify that is the bottle that change the style.
Yeah, this one I do.
Hey, every time Mr. Shopping, he have, no! He's always coming for me.
We have tropical
Nana.
We have Nana, a fresh pack,
Bushwaya.
ultra
here.
always
Come
big
here.
protection for granny.
Bushwaya. Jus de pomme.
It's written on the back.
You see what they're doing with me?
Nana.
Another Nana?
They don't have my
You
original.
know what is Nana in French? What we call Nana?
Yes.
What is Nana?
No, I don't know what to call Nana. You
We call
told me
Nana
before.
a girl like it's not it's not like girl is Nana, it's not different. Nana is, you don't say Nana. Yeah, maybe girl is
Look
Nana.
what Sarah. Yeah, I'm missing and in the chat. Sarah with pen, Lord have mercy. Thank you. You guys, you can't allow Sarah with any pen or pencil. She'll write up the
What do you
sky.
want, Tyler? We have some cucumber here. We have a lot of things. We have cantaloupe. Tyler, qu'est-ce que j'ai dit on fait? L'autre sac.
Broccoli.
We have broccoli.
Pizza.
So we have some pizza, frozen pizza for Friday.
Pizza.
Oh, you changed. No, you took right this time.
Yaourt.
We
I
have-
took right this
You
time.
have yogurt.
I'm getting a little. Tyler, you're gonna bring
Tyler,
the
look what you're
yogurt.
doing. Look at
Take
the
your
two of
time.
us. The 2 banana.
Wow.
Look at the 2 banana.
Yaourt.
We have yogurt. We have yogurt. We
Jambon.
have ham for cocktail.
Forward crop, monsieur, you wish.
We have yogurt, croque monsieur for dinner. We have
Sweet
fries,
potato fries.
another sweet potato
But
fries,
the packs are small.
and the regular fries.
Big fries for my gal birthday.
And the bag is dripping water because Tyler pee on it. Continue. I don't pee on this one too.
Broccoli.
Broccoli, well, you could have pee on the broccoli.
Nuggets.
Make the broccoli bigger.
If you gonna eat it, don't forget that. Bear in mind. Bear in mind.
Apple.
Because our
We have sausage for the barbecue.
Exactly.
We have another plum, another apple. I can be a owner of apple. You see myself as the owner of apple?
No.
Apple company.
No.
Tyler, you're gonna fall.
If your pineapple gonna throw when it falls, you see that skin your teeth.
Tyler not smart. He is his own stuff that is.
Pineapple.
Take it. If you fall, you're not gonna have none.
Exactly. You'll see who we are.
Tyler, put it. You put it. You're big enough to put it. Right, good job, bravo, bravo. You're a success. Wow, I'm impressed. Continue.
I don't know.
That's called
Green
banana.
beans.
No, that's banana, green beans. Well, they are kind of big for beans. Can Betty's not come? Bet, I don't look. Betty's not
It's green beans. You already give me my cucumber.
He already gave me that. This boy don't remember that.
Orange.
Plastic. What? Oh. Na.
Letty. What's in it? This one is
Corn.
This one? It's not corn. I didn't buy no corn.
Let me see.
Oh, it's zucchini.
I know.
Baby, I've seen that. No, it's zucchini. Why you kicking that bottom far?
Because you deserve it.
Okay, you go in the naughty corner and fix the chair and the table now.
If you didn't say anything, you won't have to do that. You get the red card from the referee.
Get up. Anyway, you guys, that's the end of the supermarket haul with all this antics
Papa,
and
why
noise
did
in
you
this house.
kick me in my bottom?
You deserve it.
No, I don't.
You deserve it.
No.
Go let Papa kiss your bottom. Go on. Go tell him to
You
give it a
don't deserve
kiss.
that.
Say, Papa, give it a kiss. It hurt. Tell him. Show him where it hurts. Point it tight. Show him where it hurts.
You pinch it very hard. You want to pinch it?
Run!
Come, let me pinch it.
You guys, my hand hurts.